Skydio, has today unveiled details of its new R1 drone, which is now available to purchase and packed with artificial intelligence, enabling it to auto-follow and correctly position itself, to always capture the best picture of you and the action happening around you. The Skydio R1 drone has been built by former MIT engineers, and is equipped with 13 cameras positioned all around its frame, allowing it to dodge objects and track your motion and position with ease. The Skydio R1 drone is constructed using aluminium and carbon fiber and is powered by a NVIDIA Jetson, a powerful AI supercomputer, enabling it to make intelligent decisions, plan real-time movements and navigate complex environments with ease. To launch the new R1 drone takes just one swipe upwards on the companion application, and HD video footage captured by the drone can then easily be shared also via the companion application. Adam Bry, CEO and co-founder of Skydio, explains more about the new drone's design and its smart AI technology. The promise of the self-flying camera has captured people's imaginations, but today's drones still need to be flown manually for them to be useful. We've spent the last 4 years solving the hard problems in robotics and AI necessary to make fully autonomous flight possible. We're incredibly excited about the creative possibilities with R1, and we also believe that this technology will enable many of the most valuable drone applications for consumers and businesses over the coming years. The Skydio R1 drone is now available to purchase, priced at a hefty $2,500.